So what if I told you that when you hit shutdown on your computer, it doesn't actually shut down? And I know what you guys are probably thinking. What the heck? This guy's crazy. Well, just hold on. Please give me a second and I'll explain it to you guys. So back in the early 2000s, Hibernate was a huge thing for Windows, and a lot of people used it. What it would do is it would save all the data from your RAM onto your hard disk, which significantly cut down on startup time. And oh boy, don't we love it when computers start up like that? Back then, computers starting up that fast was super rare. A lot of people used it on laptops because it wouldn't draw power from their laptop compared to when you put it in sleep mode. Back then, laptops were more power hogs, but as time went on, laptops and computers became more power efficient. So now Hibernate isn't on by default, but you can still enable it. You just have to go to power options in your control panel. So when they got rid of this feature, they replaced it with a hybrid sleep feature. So what it would do is not just put your computer to sleep, but it would also save all the data from your RAM to your hard drive or SSD. It didn't just save on startup time, but it also allowed you to recover your PC from a previous hard drive or SSD state in case of a power loss. And now you guys are probably wondering, what the heck actually happens when I shut down my computer? What happened when they got rid of hybrid sleep? They came out with this feature you guys have probably heard of, and that's called fast startup, which changes the way your computer shuts down. So this feature was first implemented in Windows 10, and what it would do is it would save the state of your Windows kernel to your hard disk or SSD. For those of you who don't know what the Windows kernel is, it's the main element of your Windows operating system. It only does this when you sign out, so none of your data or programs will be saved. So it's kind of similar to Hibernate, but not the same. A disadvantage of fast startup is some of the driver issues you may be having won't be fixed with a shutdown. Instead, you might have to do a restart because that actually powers through a full shutdown. And if you actually want your computer to shut down when you click the shutdown button, there's a way you can disable fast startup, and it's actually pretty easy. You can do it by going to your control panel, then power options, then choose what the power buttons do. Then another option is just hold down the shift key as you click shutdown on your computer, but it would just be easier to disable fast startup in your control panel. And if you leave your computer on all the time and you're wondering if it's even bad for it, well, you might want to check out this video right here. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, signing off.